Hello everyone, I am Meghana. My seminar topic is Blue Brain under the guidance of Dr. T. Hanmant Reddy sir. The contents of the seminar are as follows. Human brain, the most valuable creation of God, the man is called intelligent because of the brain. But the knowledge of a brain is lost when the body is destroyed after the death. The IBM is now developing a virtual brain known as Blue Brain using reverse engineering. Blue brain is the world's first virtual brain, a machine that can function as human brain. There is an attempt to create an artificial brain that can think, respond, take decision and keep anything in the memory. The main aim is to upload the human brain into machine so that it can think, take decision as man does. Even after the death of the person, we will not lose the knowledge, intelligence, feeling, memories that can be used for developing human society. What is virtual brain? Virtual brain is a machine that can function as human brain. The blue brain is named with the color blue because the virtual brain functions based on the supercomputer blue gene. Functions of blue brain includes taking decision, thinking, responding, storing anything in the memory just as human brain does. Need of virtual brain. The knowledge of brain is lost when the body is destroyed after the death. Here blue brain comes into picture. It will be useful to store the intelligent person's brain and use its IQ in research even after his death. Everyone is busy in their lives. There is difficulty in remembering the events like historical facts, important dates, and much more. Availing a machine called the virtual brain is a complete solution for all these issues and relaxes the person without any burden. Difference between human brain and virtual brain. Human brain receives input such as sound, image, etc. through sensory cells called as neurons. For example, if you see anything or touch a warm surface or cold surface, then the information or data is passed to the brain through your sensory cells called as neurons. Whereas virtual brain receives input through silicon chip or artificial neurons, as artificial neuron is a mathematical function conceived as a model of biological neurons, a neural network. Usually each input is separately weighed and the sum is passed through a non-linear function known as activation function to transfer function. Interpretation of human brain is done by different states of neuron in the brain, whereas interpretation of virtual brain is done by set of bits of sets of register. Memory of human brain is stored in the permanent state of neurons, whereas memory of virtual brain is stored in secondary memory. Processing of human brain in a virtual brain both is done through arithmetic and logical calculation. Virtual brain even uses artificial intelligence for processing. Uploading data into human brain. The uploading is possible by the use of small bots called as nanobots. They are so small that they can travel through brain and spinal. Its basically function is it will monitor activities of neuron and scans the structure of the brain and provides an interface with computer while we still reside in our biological form. It defines the data using sensory technology and upload data to the computer. This information, when uploaded into the computer, could then continue to the function as us. Thus, the data stored in the entire brain will be uploaded into the computer. These are the images of nanobots in nervous system. Research work. IBM in partnership with scientists at Switzerland's École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne EPFL, a research institute specialized in natural sciences and engineering, will begin stimulating the brain's biological system and output the data that will recreate the high speed electrochemical intersections that take place within the brain's interior. EPFL makes use of supercomputer Blue Gene built by IBM. These include conjugative functions such as language, learning, perception, and memory in addition to brain malfunctioning. The modeling will expand to other regions of the brain and, if successful, shed light on the relationship between genetic, molecular, and conjugative function of the brain. Advantages of virtual brain. It provides an easy way to store and make use of data and information present in the brain even after the death of the person. It helps in making decisions without the presence of a person. It can assist as intervention between human beings. By interrupting the electric impulses from the brain of animals, their behavior can be understood. It can do all important functions as intelligent machine does. Disadvantages of virtual brain. Human beings become dependent on machine. Another fear is about human cloning. Regaining the memory back in is high priced procedure as as it is a computer technology, it will always be prone to hacking. Large amount of the power is required for powering the machine. Conclusion. Blue Brain is an innovative upcoming technology which is an attempt to reverse engineering the human brain and recreate it in the cellular level inside a computer simulation. At some point we will be able to transfer ourselves into computer. It will bring both benefits and harm to the society. The knowledge of efforts of the scientists can be preserved and used further in their absence. It can be solution for short-term memory and volatile memory at old age and foundation for the whole brain simulation. These are the references. Thank you.